Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. Today we are doing a quick unboxing and review of a very famous fragrance, Acqua Di Gio by Giorgio Armani. So I just got this a few days back and today I took off the plastic. So I just wanted to show you the outer packaging. It's just a cream colored cardboard box with simple lettering with Acqua Di Gio by Giorgio Armani. This is a 100 ml version of this. It comes in other versions as well. Just your ingredients on the back side, some barcodes, and not much, pretty plain. So let's take it out, see what's inside. You should have your typical box within a box, fragrance boxing, and then inside you have the main bottle, which is again very simple, has some translucent glass so you can see the liquid inside. It's in very faint yellow color, and you have a top cap which is also plastic but gives you a metallic look. And I would like to say that this is on camera, it's showing more of a champagne tone, but in reality it's more of a not brushed, but more of an silver aluminum finish. So it's not magnetic, it just comes off like that. And you have the name written on the front, just etched on as usual. And yeah, it's translucent glass. The bottom you have the batch code, and the bottle is a very standard design. It is not offensive, it's not something groundbreaking. It's your typical fragrance men's bottle, so there's not much to say about it. Curved on the sides, if you look at it from the top, from the front, it looks like it's almost rectangular. And yeah, it's pretty compact and easy to store. So if you're like traveling, this is 100 ml. Even though it's still pretty easy to store and carry with you. You can keep it in your car, purse, anywhere. And because of its unobtrusive design, it can function as a perfect travel fragrance, even though this is a large size. So let's take a quick spray. Okay, nice atomizer, nice range. So I'm gonna let it settle down a little bit and get this packaging on the side. All right, so it's as expected, this is a very citrusy fragrance. So definitely citrusy, aromatic, marine accords are coming in really strong. It's designed for daytime wear, usually in the spring or summer, ideally for a casual setting, but can be used in the office, I might say, if you keep it light. If you go very strong, then it becomes too casual and can be overpowering. But however, it's a very clean and fresh fragrance. You can pretty much use it anytime you want, but ideally spring and summer daytime is the best time. You can use it in other occasions as well. If you notice more deep down, there are some floral notes as well, but mostly the theme is, you know, woody, fresh, masculine, and some spicy top notes as well. So yeah, it's a very clean, unoffensive fragrance. Can be used by pretty much anyone. It's been a hit since 1996 when Armani designed it. That's when it first came out, but it's been a perpetual hit. Everyone likes it. Everybody gives you compliments on it. It's you can't go wrong with it. If you can't figure out what fragrance to buy or wear or gift, this is a very, I'd like to say, good choice, but also a very generic choice. So you just can't go wrong with it. You know, top notes are lime, lemon, bergamot, orange, mandarin orange, neroli. Middle notes are mostly like sea-based notes, like salty. You can sense jasmine, cologne, peach, freesia, hyacinth, cyclamen, lots of things going on, but the overall impression is marine, aquatic, fresh, lemon, citrus. That is really prominent. Now the dry down might lead to the more base notes, which consists of nutmeg, rose, white musk, cedar, oak moss, patchouli, and amber. So even with the dry down, it's pretty good, pretty strong, long lasting, and you know, kind of a Mediterranean sea vibe built into this fragrance. Designer was Alberto Morillas, and I got this one from Fragrance Net so I purchased this from Amazon for $64, and that was the ongoing price at that time. However, you may look around in Fragrance Net if there's coupons that may lower the price down. Joma Shop is a good resource as well. You can even check ashford.com as well. Sometimes there's deals over there. But yeah, definitely try this one out, and I think really every guy should have Acqua Di Gio as your standard summer fragrance in your closet, regardless of what other fragrances you have. This should be like your fallback perfume if you're confused and you don't know what to wear. This one is it. So I highly recommend it. And yeah, I'm gonna do more fragrance reviews like this for you guys in the future. Take care. Thank you very much.